I am working primarily on turbine overhauls and repairing and remanufacturing parts that come from the oil field. I'm Brodie Bryant, and I graduated from the machining course at North Idaho College. I work at Hilcorp in Prudhoe Bay, Alaska. I am a machinist/millwright, and NIC prepared me for working in Prudhoe Bay by teaching me theory, the working knowledge that I needed to know for making parts. It taught me the processes of being able to pick apart a design. It taught me how to use these tools to take a piece of metal and turn it into a functional part. I decided to go into the machining program because of a friend of mine. I took K-Tech the year before I went into the machining course here at NIC. They kind of got my foot in the door. I learned a ton from the program, just in the small things of looking at blueprints and dimensioning to the big things of like how to run a lathe, how to run a mill. I would highly recommend the machining program at NIC because it very much prepares you for the trade in itself.